Here's an interesting little find. We've got a brand new Warrior 4.5 inch angle grinder, and I believe I've got three. I got two Drill Masters and now two Warriors. I knew that after doing three of them, I knew it needed grease in this gearbox, and they don't even put it down here on the armature gear. And I found this. The shaft is cut for a snap ring, but there's no snap ring on it. And they don't put any grease in here to where it can catch and get up on this gear here. So I've never turned it on. And I was taking his head off, and it was extremely hard to get these screws out. 3 of them broke. How fabulous. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's some kind of thread sealer on it. No idea why they thought they would have to put thread sealer on it. So one of them came out, and this has been laying around, I don't know, maybe a couple months. Seems like there's a 90-day warranty. And I don't know if they would take it back if it's within the warranty period. So I'm debating whether to try to take it back or keep this for parts. I assume it turns on. I've never turned it on. But I knew right off after doing 3 of them that it needed grease down in this gearbox. Well, it's got grease, but it needs it installed correctly, applied correctly. So if this is the quality of workmanship, no snap ring on this gear, if this is the quality that they're putting out, there's not a bit of reason for me to want to buy the, what is it, 7 some amp version of the 4.5 inch angle grinder. So I had a coupon for another one, $9.99. So I don't know, maybe I could get one that some moron didn't put thread locker on the screws, and maybe he remembered to put the snap ring on. I mean, it's made, it's designed for the snap ring. They just didn't bother with it. And I never noticed on the other ones, they might be like that too. I'm trying a different camera here. Well, this is on the phone, and it's horrible. I think you can get better close-ups with it, but my other one is more stable, but horrible close-ups. So there's that. I mean, if I used it for parts, that's a nice cord. Nice, and seems like it's fairly flexible. I was needing a cord for a drill. That one's seen better days. So I don't know cord probably cost at least maybe half of what this angle grinder costs. And then I got brushes, got that switch. I could convert this into another power tool. I could maybe heat it up and get those screws out, machine screws. Heat around the screws, put the channel locks on it. I could re-drill. There's a few things I could do, or I could take it back if they'll take it. But I don't know if it's more valuable to replace it and get one that works, or keep it for parts. Because I don't know if you can even buy parts. Maybe brushes if you make a special phone call. And that's probably about all they want to sell you, I'd imagine. So I just thought I'd show you that if you have watched my videos and other people's videos about how horrible they apply the grease in these gearboxes. And you knew that you would have to open it up and grease it. Just know now, there's a new trick apparently they're doing. They don't want you to open it up. They put thread locker on these machine screws. So that would make the deal not worth it. $9.95 angle grinder. It wouldn't be worth it if you couldn't service it. It'd just be a waste of money. You just take that money and put it towards a quality angle grinder. So I needed really just one more, keep an extra one in the garage. I think I got two in the garage now, and I got two. This would make the third one I had here in the basement shop, in the welding room. So I just thought I'd draw your attention to this special surprise. Make you maybe rethink what you want to do. Maybe you get a good one. Maybe you got one that the guy knew that you didn't need thread locker on it. Never heard of the screws coming out of a gear head like that. I've never heard of them backing out. And they got lock washers on them to boot. Yep. Little lock washers. Horrible camera. There you go. So you don't need thread locker on that. But you do need a snap ring on that. So I think I've been into, this is the fourth one I've been into. I've got the privilege of calling them morons. People that are assembling these are morons. Flat out, probably screaming, blinking ninnies. If you got to look at them, you'd be amazed if you saw them, baby. Okay, that's a little rant there. No cost for that. No charge. So there you go. That's what you may be looking at when you go for one of these warrior versions of the Harbor Freight angle grinder. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.